Yo, what's up, potatoes? Welcome to all of and welcome to another video. And in this video, we're gonna be checking out a video called The Toys official music video Thailand. And this video was uploaded on hold up. This video was uploaded on May 31st, 2000. But oh my god, popping 34 million views! Free crazy, man. 34 million views? What the hell? I really want to check out this video. And yeah, before jumping into this video, if you guys are new to this channel and you know this seeing this new freaking face, just hit that red subscribe button, please. Okay. For now, let's get back to this video. Sat Sri Akal. It's a different, whole new video for me. What is it? First thing first, I don't even understand the language. I mean, I'm sorry, but I don't understand the language. In addition to that, he was like rapping in so fastly that it was like, you know, but it's good, man. Why are they crying? Is there any bad weather report, or why are they crying? Why are they so sad? I wish I could have understood the lyrics, man. Else, it's very hard to enjoy the music video. I enjoyed the beat. The beat was good. It was like kind of, you know, soulful and smooth. But unfortunately, I did not understand the lyrics part. So yeah, I wish I could have the English subtitles too. Yeah, that's all for this video, guys. And if you have any other video suggestions, please do drop them in the comment section below. Definitely love to check them out. And see you in the next video. Until then, keep frying the potato.